everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the 6 pair of shoes I cannot live without. So if I had to pack all my things and take only 6 shoes with me, this would be it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so these are the first pair of shoes. They're just some black boots. I think they're super important because you can basically wear them during summer or winter. Of course, summer depending on how hot it is, but you can use them to go out at night, during the day. If you're looking for more comfortable style, this would always go with it. So I really like them, and I love the fact that they're black, so they can pretty much go with everything. For the second pair of shoes, I was in doubt between these two, but I decided to choose this one because it's not high top. Because I think I love this one and I think they're prettier, but they're high top, so I cannot wear them as much as I would wear this low tops. I literally can wear this with a dress or with sweatpants if I'm going to college or if I'm going to the mall. It all depends, but I can pretty much wear them everywhere. I really love them and I think they're really essential to any closet. The third pair of shoes that I chose are these black sandals. I love them a lot because they're very basic, so I can actually wear them with anything. If I'm putting a dress or a skirt, or if I'm going to dinner, I'm going out, they're very comfortable. And I love the fact that the heel is not as high as I would normally wear, so I can actually wear them for longer. And I think everyone needs one of these. It actually goes with everything. For the third pair, I chose some flats, and I was in doubt between these two because one is black and one is nude, but I chose to go with this one because I think everything else I chose is pretty much black except from the white sneakers. So I think we need some nude shoes as well, and this one would actually go for looks that I would wear with this one, more or less. But this one are more romantic one. I could actually wear them to go to the beach or to the mall with some dress, some shorts, anything basically. And they're also very comfortable. The fifth pair I chose are these ones because they are statement shoes. And I really love statement shoes, and I was super sad that I had to choose only one. But actually I think they make a huge difference. And since all the other pairs I chose are black and white, they have these spikes, so they really call much attention. So if I'm going for a more neutral look, I would say, like wearing some neutral colors like black and white and nude, I would always put these because it gives the look something that pops out. And it adds a lot to the look, giving it like a plus. I think they're also very important. If I don't know what to wear, just put everything black, and these shoes, they make a huge difference. The only problem about these ones is that they are kind of uncomfortable because the heels are really thin. But I can actually wear them for a decent amount of hours, so it doesn't bother me as much. Some people hate Louboutins because of that, but I don't think it's a huge problem. And I have pretty sensitive feet, but they don't bother me as much. So I can survive with them for some hours. And finally, the last pair of shoes I chose are these Valentinos. I love them so much. They're platforms, so I think they are more comfortable than the Louboutin ones, so I can use them for longer. I think they also give an up to the look, but they are also black, so they don't call as much attention as the Louboutin ones. I think the most important part about these shoes is that they're actually really comfortable, so I can look fashion and be comfortable at the same time. And honestly, I can last longer with them on my feet than the Louboutins. Another very important part about these shoes is that it actually makes textures. I don't know if you can see. So that makes it very versatile when I'm choosing my looks. I would also say these are like statement shoes because they have some details, but it is also black, so they don't call as much attention as the Louboutin does. So I love them very much, and I honestly wore them like thousands of times already. Hey guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So if you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.